glad you picked up. I just got everything you asked me to bring from the store. But I'm a bit curious. What are we making? It's a surprise? Well, I actually have a surprise for you too. I'll never tell. No way. Well, I just wanted to let you know I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. Okay, bye. Hey, I brought everything. Thank you. It's kind of heavy. Are you sure you can carry it? No, I'm not underestimating you. I'm sorry if it came off that way. What's so funny? That's not fair. You actually made me feel really bad. Well, I'm happy to see you smiling. I know you've been down lately. Oh, I can? Sorry, I forgot to ask. Now I'm making the floor dirty. Where do you want me to put them? Okay. I like what you've got playing, by the way. It really sets the mood. No, I didn't mean it that way. I promise. Maybe I am overreacting. But you make me so nervous, I just can't help it. Huh? What? Oh, right. Do you mind if I use your sink to wash my hands? Oh, I know. I was just making sure I could. Okay, what's first? I see. Oh, yeah, I can do that. Do you have another one I can use? Over here? Oh, I found it. Here we are. And... Oh, no, I'm fine. Do you need help? Okay, just let me know then. Really, I'm fine. I'm just focused is all. We should be almost done, right? Is the pasta done? Okay. Then I'll put all the vegetables in here. Oh no, I didn't hurt you, did I? Here, let me take a look. Looks like it hurts, but not too bad, yeah? Nothing a little cold water can't fix, right? Alright, let me see your hand. There. Feel better? Great. Do you want me to set the table? Okay. Is there any specific place you want to sit? Oh, okay. Alright. Everything looks great. By the way, you did an amazing job. That was just a small part of it. Yeah, it is raining pretty hard, huh? I didn't even notice. Well, I have to ask you something. It's nothing serious. Well, maybe a little bit, but you see, I was wondering. Would you... Would you be my Valentine? I know it's sudden, but I've had these feelings for a while. It's becoming harder to just keep them in. Yeah, that's what I've been thinking about since I got here. I tried to make it so you wouldn't notice. But no matter what, I'll respect your decision. So, will you?